When a structure collapses, you don't simply patch the cracks, you rebuild the foundation. Rejection gives you that moment, a blank slate, a chance to rebuild, not recklessly, but with intent. What did you learn? What must you strengthen? Stoics believe in the discipline of introspection. Don't just move on. Move forward with insight. Use rejection to reevaluate your habits, your mindset, your environment. Ask, what weak part of my character did this rejection expose? Then, rebuild, not in reaction to pain, but in preparation for power. Lesson 9. Let their silence speak. When someone ghosts you or offers no response, understand this. Their silence is an answer, and it speaks volumes. The Stoic doesn't chase confusion. He recognizes that silence often carries more truth than words. Let it be. Don't craft stories to fill the gap. Accept what's been shown. Their silence? It's clarity. A mirror showing you where energy must no longer flow. Value yourself enough to walk away from ambiguity. There is power in peace. Don't disturb your soul chasing closure. You already have it. Lesson 10. Master the pause. In the moment you feel rejected, pause. The ancient Stoics believed that between stimulus and response is the space for greatness. When someone cuts you off emotionally, professionally, or socially,